Hey guys, I'm Matt Mead. I'm the visual storyteller at BombBomb. And if you haven't heard, BombBomb is now free for all teachers. We're trying to help out with the school closures and, help teachers as they adjust to this new remote teaching environment. So if you're a teacher and you haven't gotten your free BombBomb account yet, go over to bombbomb.com/education and get your free account. Today I want to talk about a few different ways you can use BombBomb with your class and show some examples. The first way is you can use BombBomb to send lessons to your entire class. And this is where BombBomb Screen Recorder comes in. So if you have a PowerPoint presentation for a specific lesson, you can pull up the PowerPoint, use the BombBomb Screen Recorder to show the PowerPoint slides while they can still see your face. Check out this example from Michael.
All right, ancient history folks. Lessons are going to resume later this week. There will be videos that will be given via email. I'll be using the PowerPoints as I had in class. We need to finish up the bit on ancient Greece, which we just started right before spring break.
Another way you can use BombBomb with your class is you can record yourself reading a book. This definitely applies more to younger students rather than middle school or high school students, but check out this example from Karen.
Hi friends! The book I'd like to read you today is called The Feel Good Book, and it's by Todd Parr. Todd Parr is one of my favorite artists. In fact, I actually have a picture of his hanging in my house. So let's read The Feel Good Book. The Feel Good Book by Todd Parr. Giving a great big hug feels good.
Also, here's another quick example from Christina, the Reading Challenge.
Hi everyone, we thought of a challenge to do at our house and wanted to include you and see what you thought. So what we are going to do is we are going to keep track of who can read the most minutes each day. In the packet that I sent home, there's a lavender calendar where you're going to record the amount of minutes you read each day. And my kids are going to be reading. How long are you going to read?
For 1 hour. I'm going to read for 2 hours.
I'm liking this challenge. I wonder who's going to win.
Me.
Happy reading!
Another option for using BombBomb is to use it to reach out to the parents of students. Watch this example from Michael.
Hi there. Hi guys. And hello Mom and Dad. It's Mr. Murphy. I'm in the choir room where you normally find me here at school. And I hope you guys are doing well and learning to adjust to the new normal. I know that it's been a whirlwind few days for my family and me and for the other teachers here at school. And I do hope you're doing well. And I miss you guys already, miss the students very much and would enjoy interacting with them.
Another great way you can use BombBomb is for class announcements. Watch this example from Karen using BombBomb to communicate to her class.
Hi friends, it's Monday, and I had really hoped that you and I would be together at school today. Since we can't be, I thought what I would do is just send you a little video greeting this morning. We would be doing circle time right about now today, wouldn't we? So let's figure out what day of the week it is. Are you ready to sing with me? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday, and yesterday was Sunday. So since we can't be together, I thought what I would do was to make some videos for you.
Another great way to use BombBomb is for assignment overviews. So if it's a more complicated assignment, you can explain it with a little more clarity by including a quick video message rather than just text. Check out this example from Stephanie.
Right, so we are going to go over our 4 new vocab words for the week. And I gave you that sheet of paper, so it should be, near you at this point. You want to have that double-sided sheet of paper out. I'm going to just move this over here. Right now you're looking at my screen. And you should have the side with affluent out. So affluent is an adjective, and it means having a lot of money.
You can also use BombBomb to send practice questions to the entire class. Watch how Stephanie uses a whiteboard to help teach math to her 4th grade class.
Okay, here's our next problem. So you can pause it to get it drawn. Again, you can be drawing it on a whiteboard, scrap paper, your marble notebook, it doesn't matter. All right, so when we find the area of a composite figure, we don't want to manipulate it out and up the way we did with perimeter, because then that's changing the shape of the inside. So instead, our technique is to draw segments within the shape to break it up into two different shapes. And you could be doing horizontals if you wanted, or vertical.
We also recommend you send happy birthday videos to your students. It's fun to get creative with this. You can do whatever you want, but I think you'll be inspired by how Michael does it in this video, saying happy birthday to one of his students.
Hi, Abby. It's Mr. Murphy, and wanted you to know that I hope you have a happy birthday today. Sorry we can't be here together in class to sing, but I figured I would take a minute and remember your special day. So, to thoroughly embarrass you, here it is. Yes, here's the song. Here we go. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Abby Jones. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Abby, and I hope to see you soon. Have a good day.
At BombBomb, we know this is a tough time for a lot of teachers adjusting to this new way of teaching. So if there's anything we can do to help you and help you maintain relationships with your students, let us know. We'd love to help.